So I don't know how many of you was looking forward to the stainless steel clutch line install, but I'm sorry. This is I'm still gonna do a video, but this is not at all how I planned it. Like, anyway, now that that's out the way, hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Z-Bruhz, and today we're gonna be installing a stainless steel clutch line. So I'm sorry everything's a little bit dark, but I got a flashlight here somewhere. So on the Z32, it has these points right here, here, and here, and then there's some tabs in the middle, these black tabs right here, here, and here. I'm gonna zip tie the line to these points so they could bend with the line all the way across to this point, and then I'm gonna have it come straight down and go back to the transmission that's gonna be sitting right here where my feet is. So the only thing that I have a problem with is the car that I'm in right now doesn't have a clutch pedal. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out of the other car and put it in this one so we could set up our master and get our lengths right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten down everything. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so the clutch pedal's finally out. The GoPro is almost dead, but I'm gonna take you guys with me to show you guys what the car is looking like so far. So I took the pedal out of this car originally. Now I gotta put it back in. Oh well. The snap of a finger, if you can see it. The snap of a finger, there will be 3 pedals here. Now you might not have this much access to your brake lines. I'm in the middle of doing a swap right now, but I have my brake line going from here down to the back, under the booster, coming up the lines here, coming down, and then it's gonna go straight down and straight back to the trans. So now the idea is gonna be for me to put some zip ties right here on this black piece and zip tie it together on all the bends and twists so it could follow the hose and be all nice and pretty. So when I put the heat shields back on, it's gonna flow really well and just look like factory, which is what I'm going for. And here's how it looks when it's routed. It just follows the trace of brake lines, and then it goes off and does its thing. So, pretty quick video, pretty simple, straightforward, to the point. It's pretty late, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm really trying to get this engine in the car, but at this point you'd probably go ahead and throw your heat shields back on and do all that fun stuff, but mine aren't ready to go back on yet, so I'm gonna paint those. They'll go back on another day. But you guys can go ahead and throw on your heat shields and whatnot here. If you clicked on this video in hopes of seeing which heat shields go where, that is not this video. This will be in another video because I have no idea at the moment where they go. Yes. Hope this helped you guys. Hope you guys found it entertaining. If you did, go ahead and leave a like. Consider subscribing. I've been doing some pretty cool stuff lately. I think you'll be interested in what's coming next. I mean, I think you guys can see what's coming next. Hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Hold it down.